So I hope you guys are ready for this one because this is going to be a very interesting mystery box. We have a box right here, a semi-heavy thing right here from Pristine Auctions today. Pristine Auctions, if you guys didn't know, it's actually my go-to place to get like a lot of like sports memorabilia. A lot of the decorations and stuff in the room are actually from Pristine Auctions. So the Ohtani jersey, obviously the chrome Aaron Rodgers, Devontae Adams signed helmet. We got a lot of stuff in here that you guys can usually see in the background. But what I'm very interested in today is that this mystery box is going to be very sneaker based. Apparently the good folks at Pristine Auctions actually sent this box over and they said that there's going to be some very crazy sneakers in here, which literally could mean anything. And I'm assuming, fingers crossed, that there's going to be signed sneakers and stuff in here because come on, sports memorabilia, it's got to be signed. And we're praying for some big signatures. Let's get like, I don't know, Steph Curry signed shoes, or I don't know, Michael Jordan signed shoes. Probably not. I think those things are going for like 20 grand. But who knows? Maybe they did hook it up today. Anyway, I will open this up, but I just want to let you guys know if you guys do want to check out Pristine Auctions, they are a very legit company. As I said, a lot of the stuff that I have decorated in the room over here is from Pristine Auctions. They utilize like Beckett certification, JSA certification. They got like trading cards through PSA and all of this other like things like that. So you guys know it's certified authentic. And actually, because they are homies of the channel, they're giving you guys $10 off your first purchase when you guys register with the code Hawaii. So make sure you guys use that link in the description and use code Hawaii when you guys register and you get $10 off your first purchase. I honestly think like where we are in sneakers right now, so many sneakers are like literally just kind of like sitting there and are like looking like pieces of art and whatnot. And it's more of a collectible for some people. Obviously, we still want to wear our shoes, but if it's sitting in like a glass case or something for most of the time, why would you not want something like signed or, you know, something that has like special values? That's why I would highly recommend checking them out. And we can see firsthand examples when we open up this box. Let's pray for some Kobe's or something, guys. Come on, sign Kobe's. That would be crazy. First things first, we have a note over here from the homies at Pristine Auctions. Bryson, we had a great time packing your third mystery box. That's crazy. That's right. This is the third one from them. We tried to throw a lot of unique items for your personal collection. Be sure to use registration code Hawaii for $10 off your first purchase. So again, use code Hawaii for $10 off for you guys. They're hooking it up. Shout out to Andrew at Pristine Auctions. Love you, man. Nicely packed. And we're starting it off with this today. Oh my gosh. This is wild. This is what I mean about cool stuff, dude. So this is the first thing that we have in here is a Daniel Larusso signed Funko Pop. Again, like they're not only sports collectibles and stuff, they have like trading cards, they got like Pokemon cards. And I guess if you guys are like Funko collectors, they do have like these signed Funko stuff right here. So this one is Daniel Larusso, the Karate Kid himself, boys. He signed this one. That's kind of crazy. Sealed and everything, and it is Beckett certified. This is pretty dope. This is definitely something I was not expecting in here. Oof, and talking about shoes, I see a shoe. What do we got here? It's gotta be signed, and it's signed by... Ooh. Wow, okay. We're starting it off hot, guys. So we did, of course, get a signed pair of shoes right here. And I don't know if you guys know who this man is. Let's see this. It says like Boy Wonder over here. And on the top of the shoe, that, my friends, is none other than Mr. Tyler Hero's signature himself from the Miami Heat. Tyler Hero, definitely having like a great season so far. And I saw like comments and stuff that some people aren't into sports, and I understand that, but I also feel like sports is so ingrained with sneakers. Like literally most of the Nikes and stuff that you see or that you wear, they're literally a sports company. They, you know, support athletes. This shoe is actually Paul George's shoe, so you can see that. So Paul George is another player in the NBA. And I'm guessing that maybe Tyler Hero plays in PGs. I don't know. And the shoe itself is not even that bad, dude. This is kind of sick, but again, it's not something you wear, it's something that you display. So that's the first shoe that we got. Okay, we can grab this one next. I don't even know what this is, dude. What the heck? Okay. 1995 to 96 Bulls LE, a season to remember commemorative pin set. Very interesting thing. Like if you guys look at this, I guess it is to commemorate the 95-96 season where you guys know Michael Jordan was still part of the Bulls that year. And again, certificate of authenticity on the back. You guys always know you're gonna get a legit thing from Pristine Auctions. Very cool. Next up, seriously, this is why I have so much fun with this stuff, because it's always like you really have no idea what's gonna be in here. So this looks like we got a couple cards here, and this first one is a Barry Sanders Kareem Hunt 2017 Panini Illusions rookie Idols dual memorabilia green 10 205. Oh shoot, 205. That was a mouthful. And I'm not a card expert at all, but I know a lot of you guys over here do collect like trading cards and stuff. So help me out with this. Is this something that is pretty rare? Honestly, this looks rare to me. Like check this thing out. Kareem Hunt is a running back, and you guys definitely know who Barry Sanders is. He's like a Hall of Fame running back. And 205 is just incredible, guys. This does look like it has like patches on it. So these are like actual jerseys that the players and stuff wore. So this is very cool. Oh, no way. Okay. And the other card that we have here, if you guys are from Hawaii, you guys know this guy. We got Hawaii legend himself, Tua Tagovailoa, quarterback for the Miami Dolphins. Hopefully he has a better season this year. But check this thing out. So this one is graded 9.5 from SGC. This card is actually very sick too. Like if you look at it, it's got like these like bubble stuff, I guess, on it. This is the kind of stuff that you can expect from them. Always legit. And if you guys are like looking for trading cards and stuff, I mean, auctions really are like one of the best ways to go. Because it's an auction format, you could definitely snipe this for like really good prices that you can't get anywhere else. And if you guys are looking to like resell and stuff, like honestly, just buy it from Pristine and then resell it somewhere else. You can make actually good money on this stuff. And it's a lot less competition than sneakers. So something I would kind of recommend to you. For the card experts and stuff, especially like Pristine, definitely don't sleep on them. You guys can get some great deals over there. Let's get into another shoe over here, guys. Oh my God, this is cool. We got a second shoe, and this one is from the Hall of Famer that we literally just saw. So this one, I don't even know what shoe. Oh wait, wow. Okay, the shoe is like a OSU exclusive. You can see that, Oklahoma State, and it is signed by, bam, this man right here, Barry Sanders, Heisman winner 88, and on the shoe of the team that he played for, Oklahoma State. So this is very sick. This is actually a sample pair that I'm looking at it too. It says sample in here, so I guess it was never released to the public. Literally means that there's probably like less than 100 in the world. Extremely rare. Tyler Hero, Barry Sanders. We got some good sneakers so far. Yo, are you serious? Oh my God. This is freaking crazy. I am tripping out on this. I got goosebumps all up on my arm right now, boys. This is a signed Jamar Chase jersey. Who, if you guys don't know who Jamar Chase is, he basically had one of the craziest rookie seasons for a wide receiver ever in the NFL. And this jersey is signed. Look at that. Signed. Jamar freaking Chase plays for the Cincinnati Bengals. Jamar Chase actually has a very special place in my heart because I ended up drafting this guy in my fantasy draft, like, I don't know, 4th or 5th round, somewhere pretty far down, just because people were like sleeping on him. And I said from the beginning of the season, which you guys don't know this, but my friends do, I said the Cincinnati Bengals were not a team to sleep on. And then, you know, they ended up making it all the way to the Super Bowl, due in part mainly to this bad boy right here, Jamar Chase. So this is awesome. The thing with like sports memorabilia that people don't realize is like it maintains value. So not only does it like look good in your man cave or in your house, wherever you want to display like your love for your sports teams, it looks great. And at the end of the day, if you do want to sell it eventually, it maintains that value, which you can't say for a lot of other things. Like once something's used or worn or displayed, you really can't resell it, and it usually goes down in value. Whereas stuff like this, it maintains its value and has the opportunity to go up in value. So not only can you like rep it in your house, make it look good, decorate and whatnot, you can sell it down the line and make money off of it, which is wild, and get another memorabilia piece or whatever you want. So that's why I love this kind of stuff. A lot of people sleep on sports memorabilia. I'm not sleeping. All right, next up, dude, another freaking, oh wow, and it's on the Falcons helmet. I hope my buddy Sean is not watching this video because this is I might have to gift this one to him. My friend Sean is like the biggest Falcon fan that I know, and check this thing out. It's a signed Falcons mini helmet by Deion freaking Sanders. Another absolute legend. Like, I think his nickname is even Primetime, just because that's like how big of a star he was. But yeah, Deion Sanders signed helmet. I love this stuff too because I like looking for like friends and stuff. So I go on Pristine Auctions, I'm looking on the app and whatnot, and I try to snipe things that are like relatively affordable, because for birthdays or like Christmases or like gifts and stuff, anybody that loves sports can appreciate sports memorabilia. My homie Sean is like a diehard Falcon, and the Falcons, you guys don't watch sports, they're not the greatest team. They're no Green Bay Packers, that's for sure. Sorry, Sean. But yeah, I'm probably gonna gift this one to him. You know, he's definitely gonna love it. Gotta show love to your friends and your homies. Let's get another shoe over here, boys. Another shoe. This one is a, wow. Okay, I like this. This is actually not a sneaker. This is a pair of cleats. This cleat though looks not very good. But you know what does look good? This right here. Signed by Mr. Tim freaking Tebow. Tim Tebow is awesome, man. Like when he was playing for Florida and stuff, like you guys got to go back and watch those videos. Like he was just a phenomenal like college quarterback. He also had that good run with the Denver Broncos where they made pretty deep into the playoffs. And my thing with him is I think he's a really great analyst and stuff now. You see him on TV and stuff all the time. But what I liked about Tim Tebow is he's like a strong Christian. He had good Christian values, you know. He was always that locker room guy is what they would say, where he's hyping people up. He genuinely cares about like the people on his team. And honestly, out of all the shoes that I got so far, I'm probably going to end up displaying this one. Like, I have that much respect for Tim Tebow. Great guy. Not the best NFL quarterback, as you guys know. But in college, I don't know if there's anybody better. All right, couple more things. This is new. This is like a pylon. And apparently this one is a John Elway signed Broncos Super Bowl 32 and 33 logo pylon. Dude, we got some old school legends up here. Next one, what is this? Talking about old school legends, we got a signed baseball. What the heck? We got a signed baseball, and I just read what it's inscribed on here, and did he really write this? This is a signed Pete Rose baseball with the inscription, "Sorry, I bet on baseball." Because if you guys didn't know, Pete Rose would be a Hall of Famer, but baseball has turned their back on Pete Rose, even though he had like a phenomenal playing career, because he was actually a gambler. So he would gamble like on games and stuff that he would play, which from an ethics standpoint obviously is not good and stuff, but it's also hard because I don't feel like it would reflect his game, especially if he's betting on his own team, like betting on himself. I don't think that's a bad thing. Like if he was betting against a team and throwing games, that's a different story. But with the widespread adoption of things like FanDuel and, you know, all of these like sports betting websites and like Vegas and all of this, I just feel like I don't understand why they're still being like so harsh against Pete Rose. Very strange to me. Still, for like a lot of diehard fans, Pete Rose is still like a legend in their eyes. So having the sign, "Sorry, I bet on baseball," that's pretty dope. What is this one? Kind of heavy. Is this a sneaker too? How do I open this? Fragile. Please handle with care while removing trophy. Oh my gosh. Whoa! This is sick. So this is a trophy, I guess, and it's from the 2021 NBA championships. And the Milwaukee Bucks is the one that won the championship. And I guess this particular trophy was signed by Drew Holiday. So I don't know if you guys can see that on the top. Sorry, the light's kind of bright, but that signature right there is Drew Holiday. This is definitely a lot easier to display than like the pylon and whatnot. It can go in like the cases and stuff very easily. Okay, and so for the last thing in this box, it looks like we're actually out of shoes. We got this last one right here, which is a Speed Replica helmet. And it's a Packers helmet. Oh man, for a second I thought it was gonna be Brett Favre or Aaron Rodgers, but we got the next best option. This helmet is actually really sick too. This is the first time I've had like an actual like green and yellow Packers helmet. This one is signed by one of the greatest receivers of all time, Davante Adams. And I'm hoping that this pans out. Maybe this will be our good luck helmet, because if you guys are following sports, Davante Adams might end up leaving the Packers, especially if Aaron Rodgers leaves and Davante Adams leaves. Ugh, our team is probably going to be like horrible. But if they both stay, this is going to be the reason why. It's this lucky helmet. So we got to go put this in the back. Definitely will display this. So that is it for this mystery box. Shout out to Pristine Auctions for sending all of this cool stuff over. If you guys are sports nuts, or if you guys are just collectors, or even just resellers that you're trying to make more money, I highly recommend you check on this slept on market. So many people are like focusing strictly on like trading cards, or strictly on like sneakers, or I guess nowadays it's like NFTs and stuff. There's value on this stuff. Like literally I've sold stuff on eBay, like sports memorabilia, for like hundreds of dollars, and I won them on Pristine for, I don't even know, like 70, 80 bucks, and they're going for like 200 bucks. That's like a $130 flip. That's like more than most shoes these days. So if you can find the right thing, study markets that other people aren't studying, you can get some good money, get some good value. Or if you're just a collector, then stuff like this just makes you geek out, like how it's making me geek out. So again, anyway, shout out to Pristine. I will link them in the description, check them out. Very fun mystery box, different than what we usually see, but like opening up true mysteries at this point, where it's a combination of cool sneakers that we got, cool sports memorabilia, and yeah, it's just a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button, and hopefully we can do more of these in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!